Let me show you how to use Heavenly Moisturizing Cream. Take 2 to 3 scoops with our glow stick. You can be generous. Distribute Heavenly Moisturizing Cream in the areas where you want soft, smooth skin. This cream can be used on your face and body, anywhere where your skin needs deep hydration. Massage the cream in gently, using upward and outward strokes. I recommend using Heavenly Moisturizing Cream every morning and every night because a daily hydrating ritual will optimize your skin's health. If you have dry skin, you can use Heavenly Moisturizing Cream as often as you like, anytime your skin needs extra moisture. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.